Ready to turn heads and express your unique style? Let's dive into creating a stunning stripe of color in your hair. First, gather your supplies: hair dye in your desired color, developer, a mixing bowl, tint brush, gloves, sectioning clips, and a towel to protect your clothes. Now, section off the hair where you want your stripe. A small, clean section will give you a defined stripe, while a wider section creates a bolder panel. Use your clips to keep the surrounding hair out of the way. In your mixing bowl, combine the hair dye and developer according to the instructions on your dye kit. Mix thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent consistency. Wearing your gloves, carefully apply the dye to the sectioned hair, starting at the roots and working your way down to the ends. Make sure to saturate the hair completely for even color distribution. For extra intensity and to prevent the dye from bleeding, wrap the colored section in foil. This helps trap heat and ensures the color processes effectively. Let the dye process according to the instructions on your dye kit. Keep a close eye on the color development. Once the processing time is up, rinse the dye out of your hair thoroughly with cool water until the water runs clear. Apply a deep conditioner to help restore moisture and shine to your newly colored stripe. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse, blow dry and style your hair as usual, showcasing your vibrant new stripe. And there you have it, a bold and eye-catching stripe of color that lets your personality shine. Don't forget to tag us in your stripe hair creations. #hairstyling #stripe hair.